What are you doing?
I'm covering up in the head.
You're covering him up. Okay, don't cover up his face. Good. What a good big sister. What are you? What are you?
I'm a donkey.
You're a donkey? Careful, donkey.
Huh?
Careful. We don't want to bump into the little baby with the silly donkey. You're silly. We don't stay there long. What are you eating? Oh, what are those?
Huh?
What are you eating?
This.
But what is this?
Huh?
What is it?
That's a lucky mama.
That one's a yucky?
Yeah.
Here, I'll take it. What are the other ones? Here, give me that one. What are you eating?
Soils.
Cereals? What kind of cereals?
Right?
White cereals?
Yes.
Yum. Uh-oh, clean up the cereals.
And it looks like it.
Yeah, no, they're not yucky. They're okay.
He's talking.
He is talking. We need to uncover him a little bit. No covering his face. Jesse? No on his head. Can you take it off his head, please? Thank you, so he can see. Thank you. Uh-oh, there's more on his head. You fixed it? Very good. Very good. What a good helper.
He's cold.
He's cold?
Look at the arm.
Your arm? I see that. Okay.